I say, welcome back to my program, guys. So, you have to realize that if you are doing something to help yourself to succeed, you need to start coaching. And when you start coaching people on a regular basis, you have to start believing in yourself. You have to believe in the person you are. So, every single day you believe in yourself even more, you're going to have much more possibilities about what you want to achieve throughout life. So every single day you have to understand that you have to talk words. You have to talk to yourself. You have to talk to people. And the more you do talk in life, the better you're going to become in terms of every area of your life. So every single day you have to, every single day thrive. Thrive in the moment. Be in the moment with your life. Understand what you want to do around life. Understand yourself. Understand the ideas that come into your life. And the more you grow as a person, the better you're going to feel. Yes, and so you have to get to the point in your life where you're making changes in your life and when you're starting to feel great as a person. So when you feel great as a person, you have to be doing things that make you feel much more better about yourself. So you have to realize you have to eat a clean diet, eat some healthy food, eat something that's going to help you to grow, and eat something that's going to be water, for example, or any type of vegan food out there. And making sure that you're getting into veganism, making sure that you're living a great life. So when you're doing something around life, you have to realize you're always coming back into the moment. When you come back to the moment, then you figure out what to say. So there's always something to say around life. And when you're saying something around life, you're always doing a better way of life. So when you come back to your words, when you come back into the moment of where you are, you need to be learning and growing. You need to be every single day understanding what you're on about. And you have to be creating something for yourself. So when you're creating content for yourself, you're making sure that you're living in the words. You're living inside of yourself. So opening up your doorways and opening up a greater way of life. So if you're stuck in the house all day, make sure you're doing something in your house that is going to be productive, that's going to be posting content online, that's going to help people to grow, and that's going to be foundational in your life to learn. Yes, and so make sure you understand that life is not always being outdoors. It's also being indoors that counts. So when you're growing yourself into the best person you can be, I promise you everything's going to happen. So you have to realize you have to talk in a way that's going to be opening up conversations with people. So when you're growing yourself, you have to realize that you have to open up, and you have to open up your doorways. Open up the person you are. I can say when you open up the person you are, you're always looking for better ways of thinking, and you're always looking to become smarter. So when you become smarter in life, you're always looking for a better way of doing things. And when you do things for the common good of life, I promise you, it always comes back around. So what you do for people is what people do for you. Yes, and so what you do for others is what you do for yourself as well. So when you're growing yourself to the best person you can be, you're always looking for better ways of thinking. So when you look for better ways of thinking in your life, you're looking for something to say, you're looking for something to do, and you're looking for something to recognize. And you have to recognize yourself, and you have to realize that life is a lot of faith you put in, and what you put in is what you get out. So the more faith you put in and the more stronger you are, the more faith you have. So every single day understand that no matter what happens in your life, that you have to do some kind of information product, and you have to be posting information online for people to understand about you. And the more information you post online, the better outcomes you have in your life. So every single day you have to provide a service for people so that you can help them to grow. And now, regardless of if people are listening to your content or not listening to your content, you have to realize you have to get to the point in your life where you're posting lots of information online and that you're advertising this information to people. So you have to advertise everything these days, and the more you advertise yourself online, the better you are in terms of life, and the more people will recognize you for your work. So you have to realize that people are just going to come on your profile and they're going to see what you do. And that's one idea already down the line. In a sense, so you have to realize that when people see what you are all about online, they can then figure out a better way of life through you and through what you've gave. So the more you post information online, the more you're helping people. So you have to realize that you have to get to the stage in your life where you're posting a lot of content online for people to grow. And when you're posting content online, you have to be making something come true for yourself. You have to be making content for yourself so that you're becoming a better person in the world. So you have to provide a service. And the more services you make in life, the better you become. So every single day, making sure that you're making something come true. Make a life come true. Do something possible. Do something that's possible for you to do. Make sure every single day you're understanding what you need to do about life. I can say when you're doing something around life, you're always coming back to the word I when you speak. And when you come back to the word I promise you everything comes into the world of your dreams. And everything you ever want in your life is always in the words that you speak. So if you want to understand anything about life, you have to make sure that you're making content around life. And when you make content around life, you're doing something around helping people to understand more about you and about the world you're in. So every single day you're understanding more, to do more, and to actually be fluent with yourself, to make sure that you're living that great lifestyle that you need to live, but making sure that you're posting something online for people to grow with. Making sure that you're posting information online and making a YouTube channel and making content come true for your life is the best way to go about it. So making sure that you're believing in yourself every single day, making sure that you're doing something around your work, and making sure that you're slowly getting there, that you're slowly making an appearance in life, that you're going to be making events around people, that you're going to be doing everything possible in your life to make sure that you're successful. Yes, and so every single day you have to be strong, and every single day you have to have more faith in yourself. And the more faith you have in yourself, the better you are, and the more you do, and the more you'll do around life. So every single day, believe in yourself, have courage, and be a fantastic person. Yes, and so make sure you're always living up to the occasion, making sure that you're always fulfilling your promises and fulfilling your dreams.